Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the adapter and PC. First, confirm the adapter type, USB-A, USB-C, or PCIe, and make sure your port matches. Once done, collect drivers from the manufacturer or plan to let Windows Update fetch them automatically. This avoids missing firmware. Make sure to disable the internal Wi-Fi temporarily so drivers target the new device. Now plug the adapter in firmly. You want a solid connection. Loose contact can cause driver errors and intermittent detection problems. You now install and activate the adapter. Run the supplied installer as administrator or open Device Manager and choose Update Driver for the new hardware. Windows sometimes installs a generic driver that lacks features. Once the driver is applied, find the adapter under Network Adapters and confirm the correct driver version and that the device shows enabled. Then open Network Connections and enable the adapter if needed. If Windows requests a restart, accept it. This finalizes driver bindings and clears resource conflicts. You finish by connecting and securing your link. Pick your SSID, enter the exact password, and choose 5 GHz for better throughput when possible. Make the Wi-Fi profile private for trusted networks and ensure WPA2 or WPA3 encryption is active. If the adapter appears but won't connect, check Device Manager for errors, reinstall drivers, or try a different USB port. Some ports lack sufficient power. A quick troubleshooting tip. Test the adapter on another PC to isolate whether the adapter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.